welcome along. How to unlearn things. Woo. That is a question. That is a question. Ooh, how to unlearn things. We gotta unpack. We gotta unpack what we've learned from our emotions first. We gotta unpack what we know from our ego. So if we want to unlearn something, we first have to say to ourselves like, okay, I'm gonna unlearn this, and it's gonna be like a part of me dying. What exactly are you trying to unlearn? Let's go deeper. Let's go deeper. What would you like to unlearn? Welcome, Carly. Struggling in our relationship at the moment. Do people actually change? I'm worried if we are capable of communicating productively. People do change. People do change. Sometimes it takes time. Sometimes it takes a certain event. Sometimes it takes like it depends on what it is. Similar to what I'm talking about, Alok's question, unlearning something. You can unlearn as fast as you learn something else, and as fast as you can release ego and emotional attachment to that previous pattern. So I'm worried if we are capable of communicating productively. So how do you guys communicate usually? How does that look like? What have you been trying to do? Where do you struggle? Let's go a little bit deeper into that as well. Alok, just anything, any skills or any things learned earlier. I am searching for it from past 4 years, not getting for answer from past 4 years, not getting satisfactory answers. Yeah, so if you can give me a specific thing, maybe I can help you. Usually you have to replace it. Usually you have to replace it, and you have to do the new thing more often than the old thing. So if you have, let's say you have one half of your body very tight, you have the other half of your body very loose, and you need to relearn how to walk balanced. You need to strengthen this part of the body, and you need to use less and less this part of the body, stretch. So that's how it is with the thing that you have learned and the thing that you want to learn over that, or this thing you want to unlearn. The thing you want to unlearn, you have to release it, and the new thing you have to grip it. And it's so this is the old thing, this is the new thing. It has to go slowly like this. So let's say, okay, sorry, I got blueberries on my hands. Anyways, I was picking blueberries for 2 hours today. If you wanna, let's say you are walking with like your feet going like this, like pronated feet. You want to unlearn how to walk like that. You need to make that a dedication in your mind. Every time you're walking, you need to be mindful of your feet, and be like, okay, no, I'm okay. Open up the feet, open up the knees, and walk. Okay, okay again. Reset, and then you learn to walk like that. If you learn how to swim like this, that's the only way how to swim. You need to swim a little bit like this, and then 1 or 2 strokes like that, and then keep yourself afloat. 1 or 2 strokes like that, keep yourself afloat, and then slowly transitioning. So I don't know what exactly you're looking for. So if you want to go deeper, I can go deeper. If you want to, like, what do you want to unlearn? What exactly do you want to unlearn? subscribe, like, leave a comment, share your story below. Check out my audio courses, Human Design, Basics, Intermediate, Projector Masterclass, other human design that will come out. Check out the Elemental Balancing audio course. They're all available on the Insight Timer app, where you are also invited to join the course classroom. In there, you can ask questions and get direct voice messages from me, and also engage with other students, share your feedback and insights, and further your learning. For one-on-one human design coaching and psychotherapy, send an inquiry through the website. Join us on the Insight Timer live sessions where we do fascia and qigong stress release classes. Check out my art and merch webshop full of my original designs ready to be printed on shirts, notebooks, and many other products. Download my free ebooks and join my newsletter to stay connected and get updates and content in your email. Everything mentioned is available at icreatelines.com. Peace, health, and abundance.